Hi, I'm Mari and today I reveal why I make brushes. It takes time to draw everything from scratch, and sometimes my mind images something that wants to get out fast. I have room for more. That's why I created these massive brush sets and I update them when needed. I hope you can also enjoy them. Here I made use of 3 brush sets and also one of my liners that is in like 3 or 4 of my brush sets. And let's start with the first brush set I use here is a sky brush set for the moon and the stars. And later here, as you can see, I'm using the crayon brush set. You can have many type of textures with this crayon brush set. I update them regularly as I use them, and you can get the updates for free every time I create one. Now in this part I'm using the trees and foliage brush set. As you can see here, I have many trees stems and leaves as well. I decided I wanted some roots, so I'm using my liner brush, but you can use any liner that you would like to use. I actually include that liner brush on almost all the liners or combings brush set, so it's very common using that one in my brush set. It's kind of like my add-on of all of them. Then I added some grass with the grass brush set and sign. After this, I decided I wanted to see how it looked with leaves, so I added some leaf, just copying and pasted actually and duplicating the layers because I wanted the same leaves around here and there. So tell me, leaves or no leaves? Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Bye!